Good evening, sir.
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 Sir, where is the new teacher?
Good evening, everyone. Just wait for a minute. Right, new sir will come. Right, I'll introduce you guys. Okay, sir is there.
Okay, sir.
Hi everyone, you
Good
can
evening,
hear
sir.
me?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, hi, good evening.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yes, everyone, good evening.
Good
So
evening.
all are present. Most of
Yes.
them have joined. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The students can't see you, I guess. Just spotlight yourself.
You all can see me?
Yeah, now it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So guys, Pritesh sir is our new teacher. I guess I have already told those
Yes,
of you
sir.
who
We can see you.
Yeah. Okay. So he will be taking care of your physics, right? So I think you guys will, right, give him same response as you guys give me. Okay. Okay, guys. Pritesh, students
Yes,
are in your hand now. Okay.
right. So all right, students, we can start with the class. So what all things you have gone through, you can just tell me in short. Like what all
Sir,
things
we
you have
have
done.
completed the first chapter.
Their force and pressure.
Yes, sir. We
Sir,
have
force and pressure.
Okay, force and pressure. You have
Yes, sir. We have completed it.
All right. Just before I move on, since this is the first class for you all guys, so you have any question you have, you can ask me. Any question if you all have? No
No,
question.
sir.
Okay, I assume no question.
Sir, no question.
Yes. Okay, I think most of them has joined. Now let us start. So yes, you all said you all have gone through forces and pressure. Can anyone tell me what is force?
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, push and pulls
Yes.
of-
Sir, or
on an
to say
object.
push and pull of sir, it is mass of an object into acceleration.
Okay, that is one of the expression, mass into acceleration. But if I have to define force, I can very well say that this is push or pull. Okay, can I also say this as a hit? If I hit any object, definitely I will be applying some force.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
because this hit is also becoming a kind of push. If I'm hitting, let us suppose a football, that means I'm pushing this football for a very short period of time with a great force. Okay, you all said you have learned the pressure only force and pressure. So what is pressure? Anyone?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I? Sir, can I?
Yes.
Force upon area.
Sir,
Sir, or perpendicular force by area.
Yes,
sir, force perpendicular.
yes, this is
by
important to
unit
remember.
area.
This is the
Sir,
perpendicular
perpendicular
force per unit
by
area.
area.
Yes. To be remembered, we also call this perpendicular force as thrust. Have you heard about thrust?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular force
Yes,
applied on an area.
generally on planes
Right.
when it
Either you say
takes off.
perpendicular force or normal force per unit area, because normal means we are talking about perpendicular force only. Okay, so these are the basics about force and pressure. So you say that F is equal to ma. Can anyone tell? Okay, I'll tell one by one. I'll ask you. I want to list down the effects of force. So one effect each one of you will tell me. Yes, I'll just pinpoint. Yes, Siddharth,
Yes, sir. Sir,
Any one
first
effect?
effect of the force is force can change the motion of the body. It can bring a rest object into motion or an object in motion to rest.
okay. So in short, I can say that the force is able to change the state of an object, right?
Yes,
It will
sir.
change the state. So it can, yes, yes,
Sir, next one, shall I?
yes. Tell me.
Sir, it can change the direction and the speed of the object.
Right. It will change
Sir,
the
now can I?
direction.
Sir, can I?
Sir, now can I?
Sir, it can
Yes.
also change
Sir,
the
can I,
shape
sir?
of the object.
Sir, it can
Right.
change the
It can
size
change
and
the
the
shape.
shape of the object.
Size
Right.
of the
It
object.
can just
Size
change
and
the
shape.
It can also change
size.
the speed.
Right. Change the speed. Yes, that is what we require. Because of that change in speed only, we are getting this acceleration, right? Okay. And what is the SI unit of force?
Newton.
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 Yes, yes. Done. So now we will go through the modular discussion, some questions which have been given to you as homework. So I hope you all have attempted them. Yes,
Yes,
everyone
sir.
has
Yes, sir.
attempted.
Done, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Done.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then only
Sir,
it will mean anything to discuss that. Okay, so let's start the discussion. So any doubt you all have?
No, sir, no doubt.
Yeah, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
what
I
doubt you have?
also have doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Yes, what doubt you have?
Sir, can you go once back, sir?
Okay. Right. Yes.
Sir, now it's okay, sir. We can continue now.
Okay. All right. So we will go with the modular discussion. Right. So 1.3, that is in the pressure, because forces discussion I assume you all have gone through, right? It has been done. The modular questions of forces.
Yes, sir.
that has
Yes,
been
Yes,
done.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Forces and effects of forces are done. Sir.
Right. So we'll start with the pressure. So the concept is really simple. What is the SI unit of pressure?
Pascal.
Sir, Pascal.
Pascal.
Pascal, right? Okay. Then can I also say that Newton per meter square is also the SI unit of pressure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
because this name only we have given it as pressure, this Pascal, right? This SI unit only we have given the name as Pascal. So either you say Pascal or Newton per meter square, both are relatively same. Okay, before we move on, can you all tell me? So I'll just pinpoint again. Yes, Rajat will tell me now that if I decrease the area and keep the force same, will the pressure increase or decrease?
Sir, the pressure will increase on that object.
Right, because pressure is inversely proportional to area. Okay, let us say on the same area, I am increasing the force. Will the pressure increase or decrease?
Yes, sir. It will decrease the force.
See, force is increased. What will happen to the pressure? On the same area, I am increasing the force.
Increase.
Yes.
Pressure will increase, right? I'm talking about pressure. My question, listen to it carefully.
Yes, sir.
The force is increased, right? I have already mentioned that the force is increased. So what will happen to the pressure? Pressure will also increase because you have
Yes, sir.
pressure as force by area. Yes. So pressure is directly related to force. Okay, going through this simple. Can you all fill this here? So here, most of you say that in this case, the pressure will be much greater. Everyone says B. Good, good. So here, the pressure exerted by a dog standing on one toe, because when the dog is standing on his four legs, what's happening? The area is more. So if the dog is only standing on one toe, then the pressure will, this area basically will decrease.
So when the area decreases, the pressure increases.
Right, pressure will increase, but you have to talk about pressure exerted by a dog standing on one toe as compared to that elephant with one foot. Because if you compare elephant and the dog, the area is very less, right? Here, as compared to this elephant's feet, the area is quite less.
Sir,
Mhm.
sir, if they would have asked about the force, then it would be much. Ma'am,
Lesser.
then it would. What would be the answer?
So definitely force would have been much lesser, because
Okay, sir.
elephant weighs more, right? Elephant has more mass,
Okay,
so
sir.
it will exert more force. Okay, I'll give you a numerical question. These questions you will find simple. Let us say I have two cubical blocks. Okay, so these are the two cubical blocks. You have to tell me which block exerts more force, provided that the weight of both the blocks are same. Let's say they are 10 newtons, and I have given you some markings here. 20 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter, and this is 30 centimeter. Whereby here this is 30, this is 20, and this is 10 centimeter. So you have to find the pressure here.
So pressure is equal to force by area.
Okay, that is right, force by area. But could you find out the pressure in each case and then tell me which pressure is more?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do we need to write this in our classwork?
Yes, this question you can write because
Okay,
it will
sir.
be a good comparative question. So whoever does first, they will let me know.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is the question which block would exert more pressure?
No, question is you have to also tell me which exerts more pressure, but after calculating both the pressures exactly.
Sir, can I tell answer?
Yes, you can tell me.
Sir, we know that pressure is equal to force per unit area. Here, force would be same as they are same blocks.
Okay.
So the area is varying in both of them. And the first one it's 600 centimeter square, and second one it would be 200 centimeter square. So lesser the
So
area.
won't we convert into meters? Because always the area is in meter square. Because SI unit of length or side is meter. Right? You have to convert that.
Yes, sir. So 0.6 centimeter square, 0.6 meter square, and it's 0 point meter square.
So let us see here. In order to calculate the area in the first case, what we will do? We will take this area. So 0.3 times 0.2. We will never take in terms of centimeter square, because you can only tell the answer for pressure in Pascal when you have force in newtons and area in meter square. Correct? This should be in SI unit. So it becomes 0.06 square meters, the area of this block. Similarly, area of this block will be 0.2 meter times 0.1 meter. That will be 0.02 meter square. Is this understood to everyone? Why we take meter square? Is this understood?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes,
if
sir.
we want to find the pressure, let us calculate them separately. The pressure will be 10, that is the force, divided by area. So that will be 1000 by 6. So you can leave in terms of fraction only. So it will be 500 by 3 Pascal. Here you will get pressure as 10 by 0.02. That is 1000 by 2. That is 500 Pascal. So clearly we can see that in the second case, whatever pressure we are getting, that is more than the pressure in the first case, right? Yes, this is clear to all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, in the denominator, can we multiply like this for the first case 30 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 4?
In which case?
Sir, both the cases.
Yes,
In the
you can do.
denominator,
Yes, you can do. But later on, if you simplify, you will get the same result. So why make it quite complex? Let it be as it is.
okay,
Whatever
sir.
suits you for calculating, that can be done. Okay, since you have said that you have completed forces, so could anyone tell me what are the types of forces?
So can I?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Sir,
Sir, can I?
Yes, this
Sir,
time
can
Kishore will tell. I'll give
Yes,
chance
sir.
to all of you. Types of forces.
Yes, sir. Sir, types of forces, sir. Depending upon the value, we have two forces, sir. That is a balanced force and unbalanced force, sir.
Okay, balanced
Sir.
force and unbalanced force. Based on the contact between surface, are there two
Yes,
types
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
what-
Contact force and non-contact force, sir. Sir,
Right.
Sir, contact force means force which is applied when two objects are touching each other, sir. For
when
example,
the two surfaces are touching each other?
yes, sir.
Sir, when they are in contact.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir, or
Sir,
come in
when
contact with each other.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
One by
when
one, one by one.
yes, sir.
Any other
Sir,
types of force? That's all, right? Balanced,
sir.
unbalanced, contact, and non-contact. So, okay, I will give you certain examples. You have to tell me whether that force is balanced or unbalanced. Because definitely finding whether the force is contact or non-contact, that is simple. We have to just observe whether the surfaces are in contact or not. Okay, let's say we have just a box. Let's say you all are pulling from this side to the right with force 10 newtons, 10 newtons. Let's say 4 of you are pulling.
Can I tell?
Yes, you can tell this time. And I am pulling it
Sir,
at a
contact
force of
force.
40 newtons. Not the type of this force based on the contact, non-contact. You have to tell whether these forces are balanced or not.
Sir, it is balanced.
It's a balanced force.
Balanced force.
Sir, they are balanced.
Yes, yes,
they
everyone,
are
it is balanced. Reason is,
Balanced force.
yeah, what is the reason of balanced force? Why it is
Sir,
balanced?
because net force is 0, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
because
they cancel out each other.
Zero, sir.
So because from both the area the force is same.
Yes,
So if we
exactly,
add
that
sir,
is correct.
because both
That-
of them
10 newtons.
Sir, if we add all the forces on the right side, then it will be 40 Newton, and on the right side it is 40 Newton. So both of them will get cancelled.
Right. So the net force here will be 0. So
0.
that is the definition of balanced force. If the total force, you are summing it up, it is 0. So why you are getting 0? Now, Rajat will tell me this time. Because if I add all these forces, I can say I'll get 80. Why I'm getting 0?
Sir, because both of them are putting pressure or force on the opposite direction.
Right. They are acting on opposite directions. So here, based on direction, we need to observe the forces. Okay, okay, all right.
Yes.
So talking about pressure, the idea of the simple pressure that it is just force per unit area, that is quite simple. So can anyone tell whether the liquids exert pressure or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
it
sir.
exerts the
They
pressure.
Exert pressure.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, but
Sir,
liquid and
liquid
gases
do
have
exert pressure.
Pressure is equal to dH.
Sir, both
Yes,
liquid and gas.
So someone said me the expression, they will repeat me. What is the expression of pressure you told?
Sir, D into H into G.
Rho into H into G.
Sam Adarsh.
Right, others. Either you say D into H into G or
Sir, I
rho
have a
into H into G. Yes, yes. Tell me.
Sir, does the same the force which is applied by the liquid is same to the force applied by the gas?
So it depends how much content you have.
Like the same equation is there for the gases also?
Yes, because even if you talk about this is the pressure due to liquids, even we can apply same for the pressure due to gases, because as we know,
Liquids.
on the surface of earth what pressure acts? Atmospheric pressure, and this is due to,
Air pressure.
yes, that we call atmospheric pressure, or you can say air pressure, and that is due to the atmosphere or the air. Okay, so very well said. You told me this expression of the pressure due to liquids. So let us say I'll compare the two situations. Let's say this is the bucket and liquid is filled up here. I want to know at these 2 points, this is point 1 and this is point 2, which point the pressure is maximum
Sir,
or more?
Point 2.
Sir, point two.
Because the pressure will be maximum when they go deeper.
Yes, sir. When it go deeper, the measure will be maximum.
Yes, sir.
Right,
On the
right.
pressure.
I understand, I agree. This pressure is maximum at point 2. So it can be assumed that as we go down, as we go deeper, the pressure increases.
Yes,
So it's
sir.
better to remember pressure increases with depth. Then can anyone tell me, let's say if I'm moving, this is the surface of earth where we are sitting now. If I go some height up, will the pressure increase or decrease?
Sir, decrease.
Sir, decrease, sir. Decrease, sir.
Sir, we can
Decrease.
The pressure decreases.
Yes, exactly.
We get
As we
suffocated.
go up, pressure will decrease, because if pressure increases with depths, so pressure should fall with heights, right? Okay, a very
Yes, sir.
important question based on pressure that's worth going through all these concepts. So let us say we talk about dams. So I don't know if you all would have noticed or not, but definitely if you wait, I'll bring the picture of dams, then I'll ask why the structure of dam is made like that.
This question is in our module.
Yes, sir.
Is it in the module? So
Yes,
sir.
sir. In
It
the
is there
concept.
in our
who
module.
can answer me? I'll make the question here.
Yes, sir.
If we talk about dams, let us say this is the water, and dams are made such that it is thick at the bottom and thin at the top. So why its structure is like this? Why
Sir,
not it is
because
uniform?
Sir, can I?
Who can answer? Everyone will answer.
sir, can I?
This time Samarth will answer. Yes, Samarth. Where are you, Samarth?
Sir, can I?
Sir is not there. Can I, sir?
Yes, you can tell that.
Sir,
Why it is
because
made thicker? Mhm. Because
sir, Adarsh, your voice is breaking.
yes, Ragini has written because the pressure at the bottom of water is more greater than above, and we need stronger support at the bottom, right? That is correct.
Yes.
Okay, so can I get the answer of this? Who will tell this time? Who has not got chance to tell any answer? Yes, Rajat can tell me this time. Why shoulder bags are provided with broader straps?
So,
Why not it is just made with just a kind of rope?
Sir, can I?
sir,
Yes.
because sir, to decrease the pressure of the book.
To decrease the pressure. That is scientific, to reduce the pressure. But
Sir, can I tell?
yes, just to make us carry the weight
Sir,
in a
can I
more
tell?
convenient way, right?
The weight will be
Sir,
decreased.
can I?
It will be carried by
Yes,
the
sir.
It
straps
will
and
be
the
easier.
less pressure.
It will be
Yes.
comfortable to carry
Yes, sir.
the weight,
The
right?
less pressure will be on the shoulders.
Yes,
Sir,
that's good.
Yes,
That's
sir.
good. Pressure will be
yes,
less.
sir.
Reason being, the area is
Sir, yes, sir. More.
yes,
Area is more.
right.
The
Sir,
area is
Area,
so the
sir,
force
the
will
surface
area
area
is more, so
increases,
the
then
pressure is
pressure.
less, sir.
Right. Very simple, because by increasing the area, we all know the pressure would decrease.
Yes, sir.
Okay, moving to the next one. So we have some fill in the blanks here.
Yes, sir.
We'll try to avoid that. One more question we have. Let us do this one. Why does fountains of water comes out of the leaking joints in pipes supplying water? What could be the reason behind this? Just think.
Sir, can I? Sir, can I? Sir, can I?
Okay,
Sir,
this time,
Samarth.
Sir, can
Sir,
I?
Samarth.
yes.
Sir, can
yes.
I?
Sir, please.
Everyone has raised the hand. That's very good. Very good. So yes, Samarth, you can tell me.
Yes, sir. It is because of this happens due to water pressure, sir.
Due to water pressure, how it will happen?
Sir, so whenever there are some small holes created on the water supply pipe, the water starts leaking or leaking with the full force, and this can even uh, break the pipe, sir.
Right, because there also the concept lies quite same, that for small hole, that means the area
Yes,
will
sir.
be less, more and more water will try to rush out.
Yes, sir. Pressure will be more, sir.
Right. So this time Siddharth will answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How can you tell me, Siddharth, that the gases exert pressure on the walls of their container? Is there any experiment you can think?
Yes, sir.
What
Sir,
experiment?
nowadays we are getting airtight boxes of Tupperware.
I did not get you. Could you repeat?
Sir, nowadays we are getting airtight containers of of some plastic, hard plastic.
Like if we talk about Lay's packet, right? Those
Yes,
Lay's
sir.
packet, you would see that it is puffed up. As soon as you break, as soon as you put a hole, air
Yes,
starts
sir.
leaking out. That means if you put the hands here, you will feel some air which is striking your
Sir,
hand.
can I tell one
Yes,
example?
sir, another example would be of the balloon.
Yes, good, good, good. So if you observe a balloon, you would see that if we inflate a balloon, and this inflation is only possible when the balloon has no holes in it. If it has holes, that means whatever air we are putting in, or even you can take the example of this cycle tire as well.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes,
when we already have put the air in the balloon,
Mhm.
it is very difficult for us to tie the hole because it will
Yes,
put
different
more pressure
observations we
because
can
the air will put
conclude.
more pressure.
Right, different observations we can conclude. That is sufficient to say
Sir,
that
can I tell
gases
another
also have.
example, sir?
Okay, try another example.
Sir, fruit is juice, that one, this one come no, sir,
Yeah.
10 rupees one.
Yes,
One
yes, fruity juice.
little cardboard type, it will be there, no, sir. After we drink it, sir, at last we blow air into it and put down and blast it, no, sir. Sound will come, sir. That that is also an example, sir.
Yes, that is also one example. Okay, moving ahead. All right, talking about the gases, we know we have sufficient examples that gases do exert pressure. They also have certain identity, we can say. So we all know what is atmosphere. Definitely you all would have gone through in social science.
Yes, sir, a blanket of air surrounding the
yes,
earth.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I've
Blanket
already
of air surrounding us.
Yes, sir. Yes,
added
sir.
that. Atmosphere is just a kind of envelope of air, and these atmosphere will also exert pressure.
Surrounding and protect.
Yes, so this atmosphere will also exert pressure. You can see this is just earth, and the atmosphere extends to up to certain heights only, and from that all the gases particles, they are applying pressure. Why they are applying pressure? Because they do have some mass as well, right?
Yes, sir, Earth's gravity also.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if I just extend the discussion here quite more, let us say I make two circles here to show you that why pressure decreases as we go up.
Sir,
So
are you
let's say we talk about this section. So one section I am talking about at point 1. Another section I am talking about this complete atmosphere. So we can say when I talk about only this much part, if I take this circle which I have drawn inside, so only the air particles which are present inside will be applying some force on the surface of earth, right? And as we compare the total atmosphere, the force will be increased, meaning that the pressure will be increased, right? We agree with this because pressure is directly proportional to force, right? Anyone ask me the question now? You can tell me the question.
Sir, is the pressure indirectly proportional to the object?
Your voice is very low. Could you repeat? Is the pressure? Yes. What is your question?
Sir, is it now audible?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Sir, about pressure, you had told something. It is indirectly proportional to what, sir?
Area. Pressure indirectly proportional to area and directly proportional to force.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll just bring now the questions from the modules.
So I have a doubt from the question of modules.
Okay, yes, you can tell me the doubts first, one by one. So yes, first you can tell me which question, which page.
Yes, sir. So in 1.4.
1.4. Your voice is breaking a lot. You can write in what
So
question.
now is it clear?
You can write in the chat. It's still breaking.
So now. Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I also have doubt.
Yes, one by one we'll go through. So first, yes, first we'll go through this doubt.
Sir, exercise 1.3, question 5, exam corner.
Question 5, exam corner, 1.3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have sent my doubt in the chat box.
Okay, yes, we'll go through that. So this question, Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Explain the principle of watering gardens through water sprinklers. So if you observe water sprinklers, they have a lot many holes, but those holes are very narrowed. They are very thin, right? So if they are thin, what will happen? Water will be.
Sir, more water rushing
be
out.
More
coming.
pressure will be
There is less
exerted.
water pressure. There
Yes,
will
yes,
be
one by
more.
one. More
Sir,
pressure
more
will be
pressure
exerted.
will be exerted.
Yes, more
Sir,
pressure
more
will be
water
exerted.
pressure.
Yeah, means water can travel more range.
Yes,
It
sir.
can travel more
Sir,
distance.
it can go
Yes,
farther.
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
and even
because
yes.
sir, because it is escaping from small holes, so it will have more pressure and it
Yes.
will go to distant places.
Yes, to more distance we can say. So in short, if we sum up here, it will be that the water sprinklers has narrow holes, and due to narrow holes, the pressure exerted on the coming or outcoming water or flowing water. So pressure exerted on flowing water will be more.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question.
Sir, I have a doubt in the same exercise. Concept check question 3.
Okay, let us go through that. Question 3 for concept check. Okay, I'll bring in that first here. Okay, this question. And we have too many subparts of this. Let me bring all of them. Right? This one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let us go through this question first. And one by one I'll tell you. You all will tell me the answer. Water tank has 4 taps, A, B, C, and D. Okay, here are the relative positions. We can also see that B and C are at same level. Okay, that is one what we note down. Now, if all the taps are opened at the same time, water from which tap would travel the shortest distance and which would go the farthest from the base of the tank? Just raise the hand. Okay, Siddharth. Siddharth will tell me for number 1.
Sir, the water from tap A would go the shortest distance,
And
sir, and from the D, the water would go the farthest, because at D pressure is more and at A pressure is less.
right. So why at D the pressure is more? Because
Sir,
the
height
depth
has been increased.
Yes, sir.
depth we will call
Because
depth,
it
right?
has
We always use
Yes,
this
sir.
formula H rho G. Here H is the depth, right? Either remember H rho G or D rho G.
in liquids the pressure increases when we go on going depth.
Yes, when we go down, as we keep going down, the pressure increases. So more
And
pressure
the-
means more longer distance.
Sir, is it only applied to liquids?
Even for the gases also we have seen that in the
Yes,
atmosphere,
sir.
as we go up, what happens? The pressure decreases,
Sir, pressure decrease.
right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
So it should be D will travel the shortest distance because it is near to the ground.
But we are talking about the depth, right? So more and more water are present at the top. They will push the water from down with more force. Now, whatever
So
water
it
is
is
below, whatever water is below D, they will not have any contribution to the water flowing out of D,
Yes, sir.
right?
Because the water will go directly to the land only.
So,
Yes.
sir, but this question is about the shortest distance and the farthest distance.
Yes. So the one coming from D that will go farther. The one coming from A will go shorter.
Yes.
You have to just observe
Sir
in
is
terms
asking
of,
because we
yes.
see, sir, yes, he's telling because we have kept the container on the ground, D will travel the shortest as it will hit the ground first.
Yes, sir.
Water from which tap would travel the shortest distance and which would go farthest from the base
Sir.
of the tank.
Sir, actually you wanted to tell that from because it is kept
Yes,
on
one
the land.
one by one you can tell me. Yes.
Sir, because
me.
that contain.
Sir, he muted himself.
I
Sir,
think
because the container is kept on the ground, so D is the point D is near to the ground. He wanted to tell that it will the water will not go the longest. It will just flow on the land.
Pause on the ground where it hits.
see, at A and D, if we observe, if more pressure is there, that means water will come with greater speed, right? So if it is able to travel here, just remember that as we go down, the pressure increases. You all agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That means if I compare
sir.
these 2 points, 1 and 2, pressure will be more at 2, right? So this will be the kind of path. So if more pressure is there, that means it will travel longer.
Yes, sir.
It will travel longer. It doesn't mean that how high it is. Longer means how right it goes,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, in this same question, sir, if it is the hole, sir, then it could be more pressure and D could have traveled more distance, sir. Sir, but here they are talking about taps, no, sir. Sir, taps usually put water downwards, no, sir. So I think D is the
Yes, sir.
shortest.
No. The question does not mean that if we apply our logic that tap is like this, you mean to say, then for all of them,
Yes.
this will definitely, that is true. A will travel farthest then, right? Then it will become height, right? This will become height. The
Yes, sir.
question,
That
the question
yes,
would
sir.
have been which falls from greater height. Very simple. But which travels more distance. So that is definitely true. This shortest and this the longest. Now clear to everyone, this one?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it
And
may
what
be
is
the
the answer?
Answer will be water from which tap would travel shortest.
Sir,
A,
D.
shortest.
Yes, sir. And D will be the
And
first
D will
furthest.
be the farthest, because why? We will write at D the pressure is greater.
More.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
sir, it may not be the tap, but it may also
Sir,
be
I have
the
doubt in sixth question.
One by one. Rest
Sir,
all
can I
questions
answer
is
this?
equal.
Sir,
Number
can I
two.
answer second one?
Yes. Number two. Yes, you can answer this.
Sir, the correct answer is D.
D. Speed of water from tap D would
Sir,
from
first
tap
increase
D.
then decrease.
Speed of water from tap D would increase, you say, first and then decrease. Why it
Yes.
will decrease later on?
Sir, as the water will run out.
As the water level will fall, the
And
height
the
will decrease,
yes, sir.
so pressure will decrease. Yes.
Decrease.
Sir,
And
next give me answer.
yes,
Sir, then the answer should be option A, right? Speed of water will decrease with time. How is it first
No,
increase,
it
then
will
decrease?
increase first. When we turn the tap on,
when
it will
you
increase.
turn the
speedily.
tap on, what will happen? There will be more pressure, right?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Then slowly it
Initially,
will decrease.
initially
Sir.
what will happen? The pressure will be more, so water will fall with greater, or water will flow out with greater speed. So speed is said to be increased in that case.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, can I answer next?
Next, wait, who will answer this time?
Sir, Kishore.
Sir, can I?
Yes, you can answer this time.
Yes, sir. Sir, taps with minimum speed of water will be, sir. Sir, answer is option C, tap A, sir. Sir, because there is less pressure on tap A, sir.
Less pressure on tap A. Let me check. Less pressure on it. Taps
Sir,
with minimum speed of water. Okay.
sir, next one, shall I?
Next one. Four.
Sir, shall I, Rajat?
Yes,
can
Rajat.
you-
Tell me.
Sir,
This time,
the
Rajat.
water will flow out with same pressure. Sir, with B and C because
B
both
and
are
C.
on the same point.
Yes, because both are at the same level. We can say.
Yes, sir. Option D.
Yes, both are at same
Yes,
horizontal
sir.
level.
Both are with the same point.
They are at same horizontal level, or you can say they are at same depth.
Pressure, same pressure.
Yes, that's why they will have same pressure.
So, sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, in the second one, in the back side of the book, the answer is given as A, decrease.
Let us check it once again. Speed of water from tap D. Yes, we talked about first it will initially, that means as soon as you turn it on, it will increase. And then gradually with time, it will decrease. So for this one, it will be increasing. That in this case, initially it will be increasing, then decreasing. Okay, that's right. But if we talk about longer time, with time, then it will decrease because height is decreasing. Right?
Sir, can I give an example with respect to question second?
Okay, you can give me the example.
Yes, sir. So during summer seasons, we store water in earthen pots made up of mud. When the water is full in the tank, the water will come at a greater speed. But as soon as it means
As soon
it
as the
starts
height
decreasing,
decreases,
yes, sir. Sir,
yes,
the pressure decreases and water will come slow.
yes. But at that time also, if we talk about the point when we open the tap, so what will happen at the point when we open the tap? Water rushes with greater speed, right?
Yes, sir.
That means at the time we are opening the tap, it is increasing. And gradually with time, then it will decrease.
Sir, then what will be the answer to the second?
Yes, second one, they have stated with time. That means they haven't mentioned as it is opened and then it is kept on. So with respect to time, that means just a generalized situation, then its height will be decreasing. As you can see, water will be running out. So what will happen to the pressure? Decrease, and then it will decrease. Yes.
Sir, speed of water from tap D would decrease with time, no sir?
Wait. D or A?
Sir, D, sir, D.
Yes. So for D, the height will decrease. The depth will decrease. So pressure will decrease. So speed will decrease. But I am talking about another situation, instantaneous situation. The one who asked me this question, who asked me? I don't know.
Sir, Rohit.
Rohit, yes. He asked me that at the time we open, it should run out with greater speed. So for that situation, it will first increase and then decrease. But with respect to time, the generalized situation, it will decrease. Because for all the question, what we are seeing, that as the tap is present at lesser depth, the pressure is less. The one which is present at more depth, pressure is more.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now it is
Thanks,
clear. Second time, who
Sir,
asked me?
what is the answer of the second question?
Okay. For second question here, no increase. Who said increase this time?
It is decrease, sir. Sir, I told decrease.
Okay, decrease.
Sir,
Right.
I have a doubt.
Which part?
Sir, not in this question, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in sir, sir, part 1.2, question number 6, part 2.
1.2, 6 part 2. Let me just get it. 1.2, I can see exam cover and concept check. Which one?
So the answer to a question is because of gravity.
Wait, which question? Could you point out that?
So she
Concept
asked
check.
exam corner, sixth question, second point.
So what is force of gravity? This one?
So after that, sir, when an object is thrown vertically upwards.
Okay. I'll bring that. Who asked this one? What is force of gravity? Very simple. When an object is thrown vertically downwards, vertically upwards, why does its speed decrease?
Because of gravity.
Because of acceleration due to gravity acting in the downward direction. So if you do not want to answer in terms of gravity, you can also say because of the force acting in the downward direction. Is it clear, this one who asked? Is it clear now?
So I have a doubt in exercise 1.4, concept check, sixth question.
Okay. Explain one application of atmospheric pressure in everyday life. So who can answer this one? This is a simple question. Can anyone answer? With respect to daily life problem, daily life situation, you can answer this.
Sir, when we drink, sir, I'm Kishore, sir. Can I answer, sir?
Yes, Kishore.
Sir, I asked in concept check, sir.
Okay, concept check. Number 6.
Concept check.
Okay, okay.
So somebody has joined with the name Smiley.
Sir,
Smiley.
it has emoji of
Emoji.
smile. Sir, it has emoji of smile.
Where is that? Who has joined this?
Sir, someone
No,
left.
sir,
Sir,
somebody
earlier
has.
also someone had joined, sir, in Vishnu sir's class.
Yes, sir. They every time join in the Vishnu sir's class. I don't know who it is.
But sir removed them.
Yes.
Removed.
Right, right.
her.
I removed them.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Not removed. I disabled their annotations.
Sir, I think he got physics link, sir. That's why he joined only physics class.
Yes, sir.
He has got the physics.
Okay, okay. Yes, is this the question you had
Yes,
doubt?
sir, in every physics.
Yes, sir. I also have a doubt in this.
Yes, sir. I also have, sir.
So Garima has a test tube completely filled with water. She takes a container half filled. Okay, this is half filled with water and very carefully inverts the test tube filled with water into that container. Now she observes that the water level in test tube goes down and simultaneously water level in the container goes up. That means this water level comes down and in the container it goes up. That is mentioned. So after a few minutes, the water level in both the vessels become constant. That means after some time, the situation becomes like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, yes, you have that in the question only, that the test tube is inverted. Go through this question once again, everyone. Then we'll go through the solution.
Sir, I have a doubt in exercise 1.4, concept check 5th one.
Okay, okay. Remember that, but first we will complete it
Okay,
and
sir.
then we'll do that. Go through this statement. Let me know what is written.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Question.
Okay. So here it says, why do you think water goes down as Garima inverts the test
Yes,
tube
sir. Read the
into
question.
Yes, yes, yes. I heard. So number 1, why do you think water goes down as Garima inverts the test tube into the container?
So can I tell?
Yes, you can tell this time.
Yes,
Whoever
sir.
knows, they
So
will.
because of the gravitational force.
Gravity?
Okay. So if it is due to gravity, why it comes down? Why it goes up?
So
Sir,
because
it comes down because the pressure is less in the container and there's more pressure in the test tube.
You mean
So
to
the
say
test
at this
tube,
point?
the
At this point?
pressure in, yes, the pressure in the test tube tries to exert and get leveled with the pressure in that container.
Right. Pressure tries to get equalized. Okay. So here you will see some of the air being trapped. So if air is trapped, then what will be the pressure?
Sir, I was disconnected.
Okay, we just started with the discussion that some air is trapped here, and as a result, what will happen? It will apply the pressure, so the water level will go down. Or even you can tell in terms of that since the material is same, so they will try to balance, they will try to equalize each other because only pressure acting here is atmospheric pressure. Right? So it will come down and it will go up.
Sir, we can write answer as what, sir?
Okay, I'll give you the answer. So we can say, why do you think water goes down as Garima inverts the test tube into the container? So depending on the wordings, depending on the way of explanation, it can differ, but we will write the most obvious one.
This happens
as
because of gravitational force.
okay, yes, we can write because of force of gravity, or also because of weight, you can say the water level comes down.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is it because of gravitational force or atmospheric pressure?
See, if we talk about gravitational
force,
that is the reason because of which it comes down. If we talk about atmospheric pressure, balancing of atmospheric pressure, that is also one reason. So since this complete chapter is about pressure and the question is from pressure, it would be good to mention about the atmospheric pressure. Okay, but if we say due to gravitation, definitely anything comes down, that is due to gravitation only.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to tell that
Mhm.
sir, in the question they have given that Garima is a test tube completely filled with water. It means that there is no air spaces between in
No.
the test tube.
Right. That's why it would be good to say here we are talking about these air pressures which are acting here. If this pressure would have been more, then this water level would never have come down. Right? So this pressure is not that much to hold this water. Instead of water, if you would have inverted, let's say, a test tube containing mercury, then in that case, this would have been stable at some position.
Sir, we can say that as a result of atmospheric pressure.
Yes, as a result of atmospheric pressure, that's good to mention. It's not like we are talking about at this point atmospheric pressure is there. Why it will come down? Because there is less pressure here. And what pressure? Atmospheric pressure.
Sir, the second one shall I answer?
Second one. Why does water level become constant
Sir,
after a few
because
minutes?
the reaction of pressure and reaction of pressure when comes to neutral.
What does that mean? Reaction of pressure comes to neutral? Yes.
Yes, sir, I mean that.
You should say like this. Why does water level become constant after few minutes? Because the pressure is equalized at all points.
Sir, yes, sir, I wanted to say that only.
Sir, because we know that fluids move from an area of high pressure to the area of low pressure.
Low pressure, right. And number 3. What would happen if Garima performs the same activity?
Sir, can you repeat second question answer?
Why does water level become constant after few minutes?
Because the liquids move from high pressure to low pressure.
Not only this, moving from high pressure to low pressure, we can say overall, why does it becomes constant? Because finally the pressure is equalized.
Pressure is
right?
equalized everywhere.
Yes. So you all
Okay,
have
sir, thank you.
answers. Yes, you all have answers for this one, or just the questions are given in the modules?
Sir, for
Only questions.
Only
sir,
questions.
and for
Objective
Sir,
questions
for
there are.
MCQs we have answers.
Okay,
Just
okay.
for
Then
MCQs we have
for
answers.
whatever you don't have answers, because I don't know where the answers are, so you can ask me. I'll just make you write that. So for this, you have the answer or not?
No, sir, we don't have. Sir.
Okay, then you all can mention shortly.
No, sir.
Yeah, for the first one, due to air pressure and the weight acting downwards, because for
Gravitational force.
yes, because at every molecule the weight will be acting in the downward direction. Now it's not like you will tell me that here also there is a molecule, weight will be acting downward, so it also goes downward. So that's why I'm mentioning air pressure and the weight, right? Number 2, why does water level becomes constant after few minutes? Because pressure is equalized after some time. Because if pressure will not be equalized, till the time pressure will not be equalized, it will keep flowing. Now, what would happen if Garima performs the same activity on the top of the mountain? Anyone can answer this?
Nothing would change
Why nothing will change?
because the
pressure would decrease.
in the container matters.
Could you explain me quite more clearly? Because as we move up, we know the pressure decreases, right? Pressure decreases as we move up, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the water from the test tube would go slower compared to where she was if she was not on top of the mountain.
Okay. But here we don't need to talk about the speed. We need to talk about the level, right? All these questions are based on levels of water. So my question is, in part 3, will the water level be at will the water be at the same level even at the mountain?
Yes,
How
the
many-
same experiment would be performed. Then the water level would go to the same the water level would equalize.
Yes, water level will be even
After
equalized
this
here.
time.
Yes, but only if the complete experiment is performed. Right? Yes, one more question someone said.
Sir, no pressure change will take place.
Pressure
Sir,
change
then
is
what
taking.
is the answer of the third question?
See,
Yes, sir.
in the third one, pressure is changing. You are going to the mountain. What's happening with respect to the surface? The pressure here is less. Air pressure is less.
The pressure will
But
decrease.
Pressure is less.
yes, pressure is decreasing. But the question is, what would happen if Garima performs the same experiment? So with respect to this experiment, so there also, whatever effect will be happening, finally what will happen? It will be at the same level.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Equalize.
Sir, it will be also
Finally,
It will be on the same level.
yes, but you have to specify that as Garima goes up, I'll write that shortly. As
So then,
Garima,
what answer should we write?
yes, I'm writing here. As Garima goes up, pressure decreases, and after some time, water is still at same level. Right? Because that pressure even is constant at that point.
Sir, what you have written, but still the pressure.
Where as Garima goes up, pressure decreases after some time. No, pressure decreases, that is one statement, and after some time, the water level is still at same level. I'll write that clearly. As Garima goes up, pressure decreases, and after some time, water is still at the same level.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in fourth one.
Fourth
Sir,
one.
1.4 concept check.
1.4 concept check number 4.
Yes, sir.
So what would happen if two air balloons are joined at their openings, out of which one is more inflated?
So can I tell?
Yes, this is simple. Who will tell? Who will tell this one?
So can I, Adarsh?
Yes, Adarsh, you can tell me. And someone asked me about the Kahoot. So we will play Kahoot from next class, surely.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I'll still have to go through. I'll have to check. Okay. Yes. Answer this one.
Yes.
What would happen if two air balloons are joined at their openings?
So if two balloons are connected, the smaller balloon's air is pushed to the bigger balloon.
Why?
This shrinks the smaller balloon further and increases the air pressure even more.
Yes, my
While the
question
bigger
is why.
balloon-
My question is why. Let us say this is a bigger balloon and this is a smaller balloon. So if connected, what will happen? You mean to say from smaller to bigger air will flow?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why? Why not from bigger to smaller? I want to know that reason.
So because the pressure is more in the bigger balloon.
That is correct. I understand smaller balloon will push air into the larger balloon.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But why does this happen? Why not from larger to smaller?
So because the balloon is now the balloon is smaller, sir.
Sir, the pressure travels from higher to lower.
Yes, that should be the
Both of the
stated.
balloons will equalize after
Right, right. So pressure flows
time.
from high level to the low level. This
Yes, sir.
everything, wherever something is flowing, water is flowing or air is flowing, you need to talk in terms of
Yes,
pressure.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all.
I also wanted to tell.
So what inference can you draw from this observation? So from this observation, we can conclude this only because they have
Sir,
given.
air moves from high pressure area to low pressure area.
Yes, yes.
So can you show the last slide?
Which for the last question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
As gas goes up, no, as Garima goes up, pressure after some time, water is still at the same level. That means it will equalize the pressure there also after some time, and water will be present at the same level.
Sir, I have doubt in 1.3 concept check 6th question.
1.5 concept check, 6th question. Okay, let me bring that. 1.5, where do you have?
Only 1.4 is the last.
1.4 only we have here.
Yes, sir.
Check it one second.
Sir, 1.3.
1.3, okay.
Sir, 1.3.
1.3 concept check.
Sir, 1.3.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Sir,
understood.
1.3 concept check 6th question. Sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here student places an iron cuboid diamond. We did this kind of question today at the start of the class. You can see it says student places an iron cuboid of dimension 1, 4, 10. That means this is length, breadth, height on a table in two different ways. One with the face of dimension 1/4 lying on the table. That means the cuboid is now like this, such that it is 1 centimeter and it is 4 centimeter, right? So in this case, what will be the pressure? Pressure will be force that is applied divided by area. Area will be
Sir,
4 into 1.
4 into 1 into 10. Yes, sir.
Is this understood? Who asked this question? Is
Sir,
this
how
understood?
is it? Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Or you can write like this. I'll write in more simpler manner. 0.04 into 0.01. That is the pressure in the first case. If you
Sir,
find, yes.
Sir, why it is F, which you wrote F multiplied by 10?
Okay, that I just took this. These are decimals. So I removed the decimal, multiplied here 100. I removed this decimal, multiplied here, and I combined them and wrote 10 to power 4.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So we have to just find the ratio. So I'll keep in terms of decimal only like this. This is pressure 1. Similarly, pressure 2 will be force by area. Area will now be 0.04 into 0.10, right?
Yes, sir. It will be 0.04 into 0.10.
Yes. So we have to find P1 by P2. Just the ratio. So divide it, very simple. P1 by P2.
Yes, sir. If we
Force
divide,
will be
we
cut.
will-
The P1 by P2 is equal to area 1 by
Yes,
area
sir.
2.
It area 2 by area 1 because it is inversely proportional, right?
Sir, then it will get cut, sir.
Yes, you have
0.04 will get cut.
10:1.
10:1 is the
Yes, sir.
answer,
The answer
sir.
is 10:1.
Is this understood to everyone?
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Next, what doubt you have? Today we must
Yes, sir.
finish this module. What doubt you have?
Sir,
Sir,
exercise 1.4 concept check
Uh-huh.
fifth one.
Sir, I
One.
have only written in the notebook only this exercise 1 point till 1.2 I have written.
So 1.3 and 1.4.
Okay, sir, I will write it
This
today.
time you can attempt.
Sir, Vishnu sir told to write.
Sir, 1.4 concept check fifth one.
No questions.
Sir, 1.4 concept check fifth one.
1.4 concept check fifth one.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How atmospheric pressure helps in breathing? Can you breathe in the same way at higher altitudes? Definitely no, right? So why we cannot breathe? That we will be able to understand if we answer this first part.
Sir, because as we
Can
go
I?
up, the
Anyone can
pressure
tell me.
decreases and there will be less pressure
Yeah, that
up
number
high,
2
in
is,
higher altitudes.
yes, number
So
2
it's
I can
very
understand.
difficult to breathe.
Pressure decreases, that's why
Yes, sir, pressure decreases, so we are not able to breathe at higher altitude.
right. But why this how this atmospheric pressure helps in breathing?
Sir, this atmospheric.
Sir, can I tell?
Okay, yes, you can tell.
Sir, we know that density matters in the pressure. So if the density is high, the pressure is more. The density is high in lower altitudes. So density is high, then oxygen will be with
More.
means at lower altitudes we could be easily breathing. But at higher altitudes, density will be less, the gravity will be less. So the oxygen will not be
Sufficient.
stable. Yes, sir.
Right.
Constant in that area.
Yes. Wherever around you have more pressure, that means more oxygen will be able to rush into our body. So at the region where atmospheric pressure will be more, and that is generally more at the surface, so it will help us breathe in. And as we go at higher altitudes,
Why, sir?
pressure with respect to height, pressure decreases.
Sir, I'm asking in the first question, how does it help?
How atmospheric pressure helps in breathing? Because whenever we
Yes, sir.
talk about atmospheric pressure, let us say I talk about nose, from where the air goes in. So if you compare the inner parts, here the pressure is less and here the pressure is more, right? So air will flow from more to the less.
Yes, sir, because it will flow from the high pressure to low pressure.
Yes, because when you exhale, you create a kind of vacuum within you, so that there is very, very less pressure inside the body, and through this pipe, more
Yes,
and more
sir. We
air
accumulate all the air around us.
not all, but definitely most. We try to take
Not
more.
all, sir. Some.
Yeah. Next question. What doubt you have?
Sir, no doubt, sir.
No doubts, no doubts.
Sir, no doubt.
Okay.
Sir, no
Then,
doubt.
doubt, sir.
okay, great.
No
No
doubt,
doubt.
sir.
Then on the modules, with respect to modules, 1.3 and 1.4. Like before this one till 1.2, you all would have done the discussion as well.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah,
So
1.3
we
and
done the
1.4 you
discussion
didn't do
till 1.2.
till 1.2.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have to start with 1.3.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Vishnu sir told it as homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Homework.
Homework, sir.
Sir, we
Yes,
have
sir.
to
Vishnu sir told it as
submit in
homework.
Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He told that he will send the answers in the Google class.
Okay, then it's great. You can go through those answers and we will start with a new unit in the next classes.
We didn't get the answers.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. We didn't
Sir will
get the
send
answer.
you. I will have a talk with him. He will send you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So by the time,
Sir,
let us go through few more questions. Yeah.
sir, can you introduce yourself? Means where are you
Yes, sir. We don't know,
Oh,
sir.
okay. Yes, yes. Of course, you should know me. So I am from Bihar and currently I am located in Mumbai. And yes, I have been taking classes. Especially I
Sir,
take
but your
classes
name is Vishnu Jain.
using Vishnu sir's account because my Zoom account is there but not having that subscription. So I am using Vishnu sir's account.
Okay.
Okay. Any more question you have?
No, sir. No
Sir,
more
your native,
questions.
sir.
Like
Sir, your
where I
name?
teach, where and all.
Yes, sir. What is your native?
Sir, where
Yeah,
did
my
you?
name, yes. Please. Yeah, one by one. My name Pritesh Ranjan.
Sir,
Yes,
what is
someone asked
your
me
native place?
my native
Sir,
place
where
is
are you
Bihar.
from?
I am from Bihar.
Sir, same, sir. I am from Bihar and Jharkhand.
Oh, great. Very good.
Sir, I am from Maharashtra.
Sir, but I don't know Bhojpuri.
Yeah. Oh, I also do not know Bhojpuri. And I am from Bihar, but currently I am in Mumbai. Because,
Yes, sir. Both are. Sir, I am also from Maharashtra.
oh,
But
great.
located in Karnataka.
Okay. Any more question anyone want to ask me?
Sir, from how many years you are teaching?
Yes, if you talk about teaching, it's 8 years, but I mainly focus on 11, 12. Means higher grade physics and maths.
So physics only, sir.
Sir,
For 11th and 12th.
I take physics, maths, computer science, but here I am taking only physics.
Sir, before in which school were you
Okay, sir.
teaching?
I never taught in school. I was teaching in coaching institutes always. I never liked. Since my childhood I never liked school.
Sir, you did. Sir, then 8 years. Where were you teaching?
I was teaching in coaching institute, not the school.
Okay, sir.
Sir, were you teaching in coaching institute or online only?
Online, yes. Since last 4 years, I never went into coaching institute because this is very comfortable. I find I have been in online only.
Sir,
Sir,
So
where
you were
did
teaching in Avanti in different
No. I recently joined Avanti. Earlier and now also I am teaching
where
on
did you study?
Vedantu. I am teaching on where I studied.
Yes,
you
sir. Where
teached
did
in
you study, sir?
Vedantu?
I studied at Jadavpur University, Kolkata.
Sir, Rajesh is asking, were you teaching in Vedantu?
Your voice is breaking up.
Sir,
Sir, he was
others,
telling where you teaching in Vedantu.
Oh, yes, yes. Now also I am teaching. It's not like only one,
So
three,
can you
four
send
farms
a
I have.
link of your video?
Okay, I will send, but I do not know whether it will work or not because that is generally for the students who take classes for me. So that is completely recorded, made into their accounts only. But I'll give you the recording.
yes.
Sir, will you send the
Okay,
answers,
sir.
sir, of 1 point?
Yes, yes. Answers I will have to ask because till now I am also
Yes,
not
sir.
aware whether
Vishnu
answers
sir,
are there or
sir
not.
Vishnu sir
Yeah.
had told he will send all the 1.1, 1.2 from 1.1 to 1.4.
After the chapter is completed.
Yes, sir. Sir, full chapter
Right, right.
answers he will send, he had told module.
Right, right. I'll remind him as well. So, all right, everyone. Then, any other question you have?
Sir,
Or
Okay, sir. Bye,
Sir,
sir.
attendance.
Sir, attendance.
attendance? From next time we will have.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Nice to meet
Right.
you,
All
sir.
right. Bye, bye.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to
Bye,
meet
sir.
you.
Thank you,
Same here.
sir.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye,
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice, sir.
Sir, nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Nice to
sir.
meet you,
Bye,
sir.
Bye,
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 sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.